Firstly, congratulations to the Dome ISA for the opening of your wonderful showroom here in Santiago. It shows the innovation, the tenacity, and the willpower to reach out to the world.
Thank you for all coming here today. When we arrived in Chile, it was a little bit scary for us. It's a long way away from Australia. Even though our countries don't share the same language, we certainly share the same passion for full driving and enjoying your beautiful country as much as our beautiful country.
Thank you very much. John doesn't speak nothing in Spanish, but
Hey. Hola. Es maravilloso estar aquí entre tantos entusiastas de Toyota Antiguas. Did that make sense? There's more words in Spanish than there is in English.
sorry.
For about 30 years, I saw terrain tamer parts develop and they just got better and better and better. Terrain tamer is the best thing that happened in Australia for us old Toyota people, and we love Toyotas in Australia.
Oh, it's your old mate.
Yeah, old mate. I'll just sign right across his face.
Hoy día queremos mostrarles también un ejemplo.
Please, everybody, for Australia.
Yeah.
For Australia.
For Australia.
Okay, watch out. Oh, that's
The other side.
You got to open the window so you can bail out, just in case. This has got an LS engine, so it's going to sound fantastic.